Are you paying too much in property taxes? It's a common concern for homeowners. Many don't realize they might be overpaying. High property taxes constrain your budget. They impact your ability to save and invest in your future. Imagine what you could do with those extra funds. A vacation? Home improvements? A secure retirement? Don't let overassessed taxes hold you back. You have the power to challenge it and reclaim your money. But how can you fight City Hall? It seems daunting, doesn't it? Many feel overwhelmed by the process. The good news is you don't have to be a tax expert. Appealing your property taxes can be simpler than you think. Imagine your neighbor paying less for a similar property. Unfair, right? Overassessment hits your wallet directly. Think about delaying necessary home repairs or sacrificing family vacations. Overpaying taxes steals those opportunities. Ignoring the problem won't make it disappear. In fact, you'll continue to lose money year after year. The longer you wait, the more you overpay. Don't let another tax bill drain your hard-earned savings. Are you ready to take control? Are you tired of feeling helpless against rising property taxes? It's time to fight back and reclaim what's rightfully yours. Your financial future depends on it. Introducing our Do-It-Yourself Property Tax Appeal course. A simple, effective solution for homeowners like you. Our course provides step-by-step guidance. No complicated jargon, just clear, actionable instructions. Learn how to accurately assess your property value. Discover the secrets to a successful appeal. We provide templates and resources to streamline the process. Save time and avoid costly mistakes. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you're not overpaying. Keep more money in your pocket where it belongs. Our course empowers you to take control of your property taxes. Start saving money today. Ready to appeal your property tax? Don't wait another year to save money. The time to act is now. Our Do-It-Yourself course is your key to unlocking tax savings. Start your journey to financial freedom. Click the link below to enroll in our course. Take the first step towards a lower property tax bill. Join thousands of satisfied homeowners who have successfully appealed their taxes. You can too. Don't let another year go by without taking action. Reclaim your money and secure your financial future. Enroll today and start saving on your property taxes. Your wallet will thank you. Don't delay. Visit propertytaxappealcourse.com for free resources to see if you might have a case worth pursuing.